Dear students, today we will see Web 2.0. As we know, cloud computing is the internet-centric way of computing. This internet plays a fundamental role in the cloud computing. Internet is the medium through which we can access the services of the cloud computing. So the web is the primary interface through which cloud computing delivers its services. This web consists of the technologies and services that facilitate interactive information sharing, collaborations, and application composition. So this evolution has transformed the web into a rich platform of application development, and it is known as the Web 2.0. Previously it is a Web 1.0 which provides only the information. Here the user was not allowed to respond. Here only the internet is used to provide the information. The user can only access the information, but user cannot give the reply to that information. So this Web 2.0 provides the dynamism. It provides the dynamism in the services, means here the user can give the response on the websites also. Web 2.0 brings interactivity and flexibility into web pages. It provides the enhanced user experience, and these capabilities are obtained by integrating a collection of standards and technologies such as XML, then Ajax, web services, and others. These Web 2.0 applications are extremely dynamic. They improve continuously, and new updates and features are integrated at a constant rate. There is no need to deploy a new software release on the install base at the client. Examples of Web 2.0 may be Google Documents, then Google Maps, Flickr, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Blogger, Wikipedia. Here the level of interactions are increased, such as Facebook and Flickr. On Facebook we can access the information, or we can view the profile of other, and we can post our send the reply on the Facebook also. And Flickr provides the advanced series of for storing digital pictures and videos. So, and on YouTube also we can give the responses. We can see the videos on the YouTube, and we can comment on that YouTube. So it is a two-way communication. So this Web 2.0 provides a dynamism into the cloud computing. So these are the technologies: Ajax, HTML, CSS, XML, JS, JSON. Okay. Thank you so much.